Okay, guys, this particular episode is focused sharply on BTech aspirants, their parents, and career counselors. I would like to classify BTech programs into three: BTech of the past, BTech of the present, and BTech of the future. As we all know, we have had a number of conventional streams in engineering, like civil, mechanical, etc. And then we have had recent streams, the BTech of the present, like computer science, IT, etc. But then what about BTech of the future? As you're all aware, post-COVID, the job opportunities would be really hard to come by. In other words, the job market is going to go to a complete standstill post-COVID because of the economic recessions and its ramified after effects. Now, those who are going to come out with conventional or BTech of the past and BTech of the present may struggle indeed to find a job. It is in this context that we should look at the BTech of the future. Recently, the All India Council for Technical Education approved, I would say rather belatedly, two new streams of BTech. One is called BTech Blockchain. Second one is called BTech Artificial Intelligence. Though they did it rather late, better late than never. If you look at tomorrow's job opportunities in the government sector and banking sector, most of the jobs would come up in blockchain technology. You may be wondering what is blockchain technology. In fact, I had a bitter experience with a friend of mine who thought blockchain is a kind of chain used for measuring property. Okay, so much for the awareness about blockchain. So let me brief you on what exactly is blockchain. Blockchain is actually a refreshingly new concept on the internet, which would be the greatest tool for e-governance because of its complete transparency, because of its complete protection and proofing from fraud and malpractices, because of its total openness. To put it short, in this episode we may not have time to explain at length what is blockchain. To put it short, sweet and simple, blockchain is like a public register which is open, visible for all. See, look at a case where in a government office you have a register, open register, where all transactions are being recorded, and this register can be inspected by any visitor to the government office. Don't you think it would make the operations of the office corruption-free and completely efficient? This is exactly that. This is a public register on the internet, which is accessible for all. In other words, this would completely rule out any scope for corruption, inefficiency, malfeasance and malpractices, misappropriations. All this would be totally impossible if we are using blockchain in governance. Exactly same situation with banking. Banking would become foolproof, absolutely foolproof, with no scope for any misappropriation, fraud or malpractice. So much for blockchain. So in future, every single government department would operate with blockchain technology. Already, all the government departments in UAE, especially Dubai, have switched over to blockchain. In India, survey department has already switched over to blockchain. The traffic police is now switching over to blockchain, and every single department would follow suit. Imagine the job potential for blockchain. Second area that we must focus on is nothing but artificial intelligence. You know, you may have heard of using artificial intelligence for facial recognition, for voice recognition, etc. But in future, artificial intelligence will become all pervasive. It will pervade every single area of operation of technology. In other words, artificial intelligence would be doing business analytics, artificial intelligence would be doing market research, artificial intelligence would be doing, to a great extent, research in every field of knowledge. Artificial intelligence would be doing all operations which are too risky, hazardous, cumbersome for human beings. So we are going to face, or we are going to see the days of artificial intelligence. So BTech Artificial Intelligence is actually the course which is going to offer millions of jobs in the future. So only one campus in Kerala so far has got approval for both BTech Blockchain and BTech Artificial Intelligence. It's none other than Christ Knowledge City under the Kerala Technological University, located near Muatupura in a place called Mannur. It's a magnificent, palatial, serene, green campus spread over acres and acres of land. Beautiful landscaped campus which offers all the conveniences for students. In fact, the founder of this institution has an international orientation, so much so he built up so many things within. He built up a small clinic, he built up a parlor for boys and girls, he built up a small shopping place, he built up a number of cafeterias. And in other words, he has actually mimicked many of the Western universities in his own campus. So much for the vision of the founder of Christ Knowledge City, engineer Paulos. Okay, coming back to our topic, I would like to encourage every single BTech aspirant to look at the possibility of doing a BTech in blockchain or in artificial intelligence rather than doing something traditional and struggle in the job market. Thank you very much.